autumn is finally here. Join me today as we get ready to plant some chayote. I'm going to start my seedlings using mature chayote fruits. I'll use a cotton towel to wrap the fruit. Cotton holds water effectively while still being breathable. Every day, I'll mist it with water to maintain the ideal humidity for the sprout to develop. And look, the chayote has already sprouted with healthy, pure white roots. I'll be using these recycled tire pots, which already have built-in air holes and drainage grooves. Because chayote roots grow incredibly fast and are soil hungry, I've decided to stack 2 tires on top of each other. Now, I'm filling them with a pre-mixed substrate, 60% topsoil, 30% chicken manure, and 10% rice husks. And there we go. 4 soil pots are ready. These are the chayote seedlings I've been nursing. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? The seedlings have developed a dense root system, pure white and bursting with life. In each pot, I'll place just 1 seed fruit shallowly on the surface, keeping the sprout airy and preventing any rot. I'm placing a bamboo stake in each pot. Can you guess what I'm going to do with these? Don't look away. I'm cutting off the bottom of this clear plastic bottle. Then, poke a hole in the cap. Here it is, my secret weapon for growing chayote. A DIY drip irrigation system made from a medical IV set. Now, screw the plastic bottle firmly onto the bamboo stake. I'm mixing a vitamin B1 tablet into a bucket of water, This is a recovery tonic, helping the coyote survive the sun and sprout vigorously right from the first week. I'll fill up the reservoir system with the B1 solution. Now, I'll adjust it so the water drips down slowly. Looking at these curved steel rods, you can probably guess my plan. That's right, I'm building an arched trellis for the Chayote to climb. Securing the trellis to the bamboo stakes using cable ties. We can't forget the crossbars. They help lock the structure firmly in place. I'm pinching the tips to encourage the plant to grow more side branches. Seeing these sturdy coyote vines gripping the steel arch, I'm sure it won't be long before they completely cover the trellis. Sometimes the tendrils catch onto unwanted spots, so I'll gently untangle them and redirect them with soft ties. No matter how harsh the autumn sun gets, I'm completely at ease because the automatic irrigation system works steadily 24/7. The Chayote trellis has now become a refreshing canopy of green. Time to add a little nitrogen to nourish the leaves and the tips. Just a bit more nitrogen to boost those vines. Tiny chayote fruits are starting to pop up everywhere, peeking through the green foliage. Giving these little ones a boost with some energy drink made from banana peels. High potassium content will ensure the chayote grow fast, large, and sweet. To get this harvest safely to the finish line and away from pests and insects, I'm making an organic biospray that's both safe and effective. Ginger, garlic, and chili. Blend the mixture until it's smooth. Strain it through a sieve to remove the pulp. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it evenly onto the young fruits. This pungent mixture ensures no insect will dare to come near. The automatic irrigation system has worked so hard all this time. And here is the reward: a lush green trellis, heavily loaded with fruit. Today, I'll pick the firm ones with shiny skin to harvest first. My kids absolutely love these. I'm sure they'll be so excited for their chayote dish at dinner tonight.